Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to align the currency sign to the left in Excel. Here, I have values in 4 columns. In the first column, you can see the dollar sign is on the left side and the amount is aligned to the right. Now we will achieve the same result using 3 different methods. Method 1, using custom format. First, select the cells or the entire second column. Right-click and go to Format Cells. In the dialog box, go to the Custom category. In the Type box, enter the custom format. You can copy it from the description or comments. Then click OK. Now you will see the currency symbol moves to the left side, just like the first column. Method 2, using accounting format, Format Cells. Now select the third column. Right-click and go to Format Cells again. This time, select the accounting category and click OK. You will see the same result, the currency symbol aligned to the left and the values properly spaced. Method 3, using accounting format, Home tab. For the fourth column, select the column. Now go to the Home tab, and in the Number section, select Accounting Format. Again, Excel will automatically align the currency symbol to the left. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.